just going to whisper and see whether you can hear me. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I can't hear
Alright,
what
so this is
Daddy's
exciting.
saying.
We've just received this from Amazon. I've spent hours researching it. This is the DJI Mic Mini, and we're just about to go to Japan, so I wanted to get a wireless mic so that we could record some video. And this is the mini version of the mic, the DJI Mic, which is now at the Mic 2. So I'm really excited to open it. This is a beautiful plastic. Very nice plastic. DJI obviously make a lot of drones, and they've gotten good at this stuff. Look at this package. So this is nice and I hope waterproof. This is beautiful. Okay, really good quality as with most DJI products. The only DJI thing that I've ever had was a little drone, a cheap one. Okay, wow. All right, so this is the battery pack. And I'm going to look at the battery pack first. It is quite big, so feels a little bit on the heavy side. But that's because it's got batteries inside. So, press to unlock. Okay, there's a sticker here. I'm just going to take that off. Really nice quality. This is really nice. Oh, wow. Okay, so okay, look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, so this is the microphone.
What?
It is tiny.
That's
okay.
so small.
Look at the microphone, guys. Come on, look. This is the transmitter. This is the transmitter. So I believe this would be, I think, the gain. This is 1 and 2. It's got a 3.5mm output there, or input, sorry. No, output, sorry. And this could go into a camera.
Because it has a little peg.
It's got a adapter, so we can plug the, presumably this is the adapter. Can everyone see that? There's an adapter here, which I'm going to try to...
With your hand.
Oh, okay, there you go. There you go, it's a magnetic adapter, and this goes onto the transmitter, I think.
Why? Why is it so?
Oh no, it's here. Oh, that's amazing. So, I think it goes onto this. Anyway, I'll have to look it up. But this can connect onto your iPhone directly.
Why? Why would
So
you
that
need that?
so you can transmit. Oh, there we go. Oh wow, look at that. So you open that up. You connect this onto there. That's what happens when you don't read instructions. I'm excited. And then you put that inside there. I believe. I don't want to break it, so I'm going to look up the instructions. But yeah, that would be it. A little bit of force. Imagine if this is not what you're supposed to do.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
So
So then that now can go straight into the iPhone, which I'll do right after this, so you can see the quality difference.
do the fluffy earmuffs.
It comes with these ones that you see a lot of YouTubers using. This is
Whoa.
the wind protection, and there's 2 colors.
Are you sure they're not just pom-poms?
And then you can, apparently it's quite, I think it's quite hard to take off. So these
Oh.
stick on top of these somehow.
They have little holes.
Are they different or the same?
Yeah.
Oh, they're all the same
Oh
one.
my, they're so fluffy.
And then you stick them on,
Don't wreck it.
yeah.
No, they're
There you go, it's wearing his hat. And then there's a magnet here.
Why do you
Pretty strong magnet. This is a magnet. This is a magnet. And therefore I can put it in my shirt like this.
I think you can do it from the top next time.
Yeah, okay, that'll be this. That'll be. Okay, there you go. So this is a thin t-shirt and it sort of dangles there. It's only 10 grams, it's tiny, right guys?
Take it off, Daddy.
Why?
Because you
You
can
can use
peg
it.
it.
Okay, you can
Oh,
peg it
it's
too.
a peg as well.
Wait, why are there 2?
Oh yeah, you can peg it. So you could peg it
Why
here.
are
Let me,
there 2?
yeah, because there's 2 microphones.
Wait, it came with 2?
Yeah.
I thought
So
it
you can
just
put it on your lapel like this. That's kind of falling down.
Hello.
So this one would match your top. You can try to figure that out. Okay, so kind of excited. I think it's
Take it
transmitting
around.
already. And now the next video we're going to do, we'll patch these 2 videos together and to show you the difference in the sound. Because now, if I'm here, if I'm using the iPhone, this is what it sounds like at this distance. Obviously, if I come out here, it starts to get quite distant, and you're probably hearing all the noise around as well. So we're going to try this now. So now we are using the mini mics. It's plugged in directly into the iPhone. So this is the iPhone Pro 15 Pro Max, which is connected directly into the iPhone. And we're going to walk further away, and you can see
Can you hear me breathing?
we are now far away. and I'm all the way here. And can you
Talk
still
louder,
hear me?
Daddy. Talk louder. Talk louder.
I'm talking, and we're now about 15 meters. I'm about 15 meters away, and I'm going to go to the front of the house. Come on, come this way. Oh no,
Me?
you want to stay there?
Yeah,
Okay.
I stay here.
That's fine. So I'm like walking all the way to the front of the house, which is about 20 meters away. I'm now at the front door, close to the front door, and I'm going to walk back. Whoop, 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 boom. Here I am. Hello?
Hi.
Go to the front of the house and whisper something.
Happy
To the very front of the house?
To you.
And whisper. Okay, I will.
Happy birthday.
I'm going to go to the very front of the house.
Happy birthday.
Can you see me at all there?
Sister, 'cause I can't say her name.
Okay, so I'm going all the way to the front of the house. And I'm just going to whisper and see whether you can hear me. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I can't hear
Alright,
what
so this is
Daddy's
exciting.
saying.
Because normally, obviously, if you're just using the iPhone,
Yeah,
mic,
now we can be like
all you
Ryan
get
Trahan.
is a lot of the ambient noise. So I'm now walking back. All right, that's good. That's a wrap. So I want to know what you think about this sound compared to the iPhone sound that was just before. And now I'm just talking just with the iPhone mic. This has all been turned off and I've unplugged this little receiver. And I'm just going to now walk to the front of the house and whisper. Now you don't want to be able to hear me whisper. So this is me walking to the front of the house. And I bet you can't hear me very well.
And shouting.
You're shouting, Daddy. Of course we can hear you.
Now I'm going to whisper.
I can barely hear you.
Don't think you can hear anything. So this is the difference between
Should I say
using a wireless mic that's plugged in right next to you and using the iPhone mic. I mean, the iPhone mic is amazing. It's a condenser mic. You can pick up all the ambient noise, but it's not very good at picking up direct sounds and cutting out noise, especially when you're far away.